Hi, this is Anti with Compass. I'm so excited. I just listed this beautiful Sunnyvale home in the desirable area of Fairway Crest community. And it's so close, only a couple miles away from Apple headquarters. Currently no inventory in this Sunrose complex. And let me show you the rest of the home. This home features 2-bedroom, 2 baths, hardwood flooring. And here's one of the coolest features about this home that compared to any other condo townhome in Sunnyvale is the parking garage. You get 2 parking slots. For this particular home, you get 102 and 103 parking slots. Plus, you get 2 storage units in here as well. Now that you have seen what this home looks like, would you like to live here? Imagine yourself eating over the countertop right here and enjoy the beautiful view on the balcony. One thing I really love about this home is the balcony overlook at the golf course. And come on out, let me show you real quick. This is my favorite spot here.